Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that like button. What are we going to see today? How AI learns. Data versus rules explained simply. AI is everywhere, but have you ever wondered how it actually learns? Here's the big secret. AI doesn't learn from strict rules programmed by humans. It learns from something far more powerful: data. In the next few minutes, I'll show you why this difference changes everything about how AI works.
Old way, rule-based systems. Before modern AI, computers worked by following rules. Humans had to write every single instruction step by step. For example, if you wanted a program to detect spam emails, you'd code rules like, if the email has the word free money, mark as spam. If it has too many exclamation marks, mark as spam. This worked, but only up to a point. If someone wrote FREMONEY or used new tricks, the rules failed. Rule-based systems are rigid, they can't adapt on their own. New way, learning from data. AI flips this old approach upside down. Instead of humans writing every rule, we feed AI huge amounts of data, like millions of emails labeled spam or not spam. The AI doesn't know the rules up front. It analyzes patterns in the data and creates its own set of instructions, called a model. The more data it sees, the better it gets at making accurate predictions, often better than humans can code manually.
Example everyone gets. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize dogs. You could try giving them rules. Has 4 legs. Has fur. Has a tail. But what about a hairless dog? Or a 3-legged one? Rules fail when there are exceptions. Now, imagine you just show the child thousands of dog pictures. Over time, they can recognize a dog anywhere, even if it's a new breed they've never seen before. That's exactly how AI works. It doesn't memorize rules. It learns patterns directly from data.
Why this matters? Learning from data makes AI flexible and scalable. It can adapt to new information, handle complex problems, and make predictions where writing rules would be impossible. This is why AI powers self-driving cars that learn from millions of driving hours, voice assistants that understand accents over time, recommendation systems that know your taste better than you do. Without data-driven learning, modern AI as we know it wouldn't exist.
So, here's the takeaway. AI doesn't need you to write every rule. It builds its own understanding by analyzing massive amounts of data, and that's what makes it so powerful. Hit the like button for this video if it helped you finally understand how AI learns, and subscribe for more easy tech explainers every week.